Hey guys, today I'm going to showcase my build of my I think this is C-17 cargo plane. Yeah, I mean I built this like a long time ago. I'm just gonna showcase to you guys. So the door is currently broken right now, so I'm just gonna use paint. Wait, okay, okay, okay. So in the inside, in the interior of the plane, there's not really much except for some chairs and cargo. I also have this cargo door, but it's currently broken right now, and I'm not even trying to fix it. So, in the cockpit of the chair, in the cockpit of the plane, we have this. You can't really see through the plane because I used different what type of block. And I think this is an ice block. Yeah, this is a nice block. So we got 4 engines. So in these engines, I used not the diamond plate, but instead is like granite thing, since I ran out of materials. Yeah. Wait, let me get. Okay, okay. So yeah, that's that's this thing. That wait, that's this thing out. Okay, so I already anchored it, so it already moves, and it's kind of goofy to look. Okay, just gonna activate the thrusters, and as you can see,